Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play The Sims 4. First, you will create your unique sim, customizing their appearance and personality. Next, you will build and design their dream home, from a cozy cottage to a grand mansion. Then, explore diverse worlds, meeting other Sims and engaging in various activities. Finally, learn the essential controls to navigate your Sim's life, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience from the very beginning. Creating your Sim is where the fun truly begins. You can sculpt their body, choose from hundreds of hairstyles, and select outfits for every occasion. Define their personality by picking up to 3 traits, like neat or creative, and 1 aspiration, such as master chef. Don't forget to select a unique voice and walk style, then give them a name and a compelling backstory to bring them to life. Once your Sim is ready, it's time to build their perfect home in build mode. You can start with an empty lot or renovate an existing structure. Easily drag walls to create rooms, then fill them with thousands of furniture items and decorative pieces. Experiment with different wall heights and foundation levels for unique architectural styles. Finally, add lush gardens and outdoor features using the comprehensive landscaping tools to complete your Sim's sanctuary. Now immerse yourself in daily Sim life. Keep an eye on your Sim's 8 needs like hunger and energy to ensure they stay happy and healthy. Help them develop skills from cooking to painting by interacting with objects and other Sims. Explore diverse neighborhoods, meeting new friends or rivals. Guide your Sim through exciting careers, build meaningful relationships, and watch their unique story unfold over many generations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.